Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving into the less command, one of the most useful tool for viewing text files in Linux. Whether you are a system administrator or a developer, less is an essential command for quickly navigating large log files, configuration files, and even command outputs. Let's explore what less command does, its key option, and how it can save your time when working with a large amount of text. And as always, I will be running these commands on Rocky Linux, but they apply to most Linux distribution. So let's see the manual page for the less command. The less command allows you to view the content of a file one page at a time without loading the entire file into a memory. This makes it incredibly efficient for handling a large files, unlike the cat command which prints everything at once. To use less command, simply run less where log messages. Let me switch to a root, or you need a sudo privileges. Let me run the less command. This opens the system log files, allowing you to scroll through it efficiently. Once inside the less, use these keys shortcuts to move around. Press spacebar to scroll down one page. Press B to scroll back one page. Use the arrow up and down to move line by line. Press Q to exit less. Before we proceed, let's create a sample log file to use in our examples. If you don't have an existing log file, follow these steps. Run the following command to generate a fake system log file with 50 entries. I have created a command. Let's copy paste it on the terminal. To simulate how real system logs are stored, let's compress it using gzip. As we are already root, no need to use sudo. Run gzip where log message dot one, which we have created this file with the above command. Press enter. This is the file. This will create a compressed log file named varlog messages.1.gz. So now instead of extracting it, we can read it directly using zless varlog messages.1.gz. This works just like a less command but for a compressed files. Let's see the another example. Ever needed to find a specific error message in a long log file? With less, you can search for the keywords. Assume, let me run where log message. Once inside less, press forward slash followed by the search term. Example, I will search for error. So it will find the error keyword in the log file. As you can see, the error text is been highlighted. Press N to jump to the next match. So like this it will switch, and capital N to go back. Let's see the another example. If you are debugging a script or a configuration file, adding a line number helps. So run this command. Let's see if we have httpd conf. So it will add the line number by using -n. Now each line is numbered, making it easier to reference the sessions when troubleshooting Apache configuration file. Let's see the another example for the less command. Similar to tail-f, you can use less to follow a file's changes dynamically. For example, monitoring a live logs, you can use less plus f where log httpd access dot this. But as of now, there is no any data appending on access underscore log file. If there is any log files generating, this will continuously update the logs as a new entry appears. Press Ctrl C to stop the following and return to a normal view mode. Sometimes a command produces too much output to read easily. Instead of scrolling through a terminal, pipe it into a less. Example, psaux grep less. Now you can navigate through the process list page by page by pressing spacebar. And that's it for this tutorial. We have covered how the less command helps efficiently view large files, search within them, follow live logs, and even works with compressed files. These features make it must know command for Linux administrator and a developer. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. Check out our other videos for more system administrator tips. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.